It's Legoland Day! We just arrived at Legoland. Really excited, aren't we? Are we excited?
Yep.
And we're here really early. Almost no one in the parking lot. We're gonna go explore the hotel a little and just hang out until the park opens. A lot of fall Halloween decorations out. Rooftop at Legoland. We're heading over to what we think is the most popular ride. I don't know my way around here, but hopefully I'll figure it out.
What are the rocks doing?
What are they doing?
They're rocking.
They're rocking. We're all on the boat ride right now, checking out all the characters. What do you think of Legoland so far?
It's been pretty good.
It's snack time, and we heard these apple fries were so good. What do you think of them? Are good?
They're so good.
So good. Do they taste like an apple pie?
Yeah.
All right, taking a little break from rides and just sitting and relaxing and enjoying our Granny's apple fries. Good stuff. Definitely not as busy as the Disney parks. Some of the rides we've been able to just walk on. I think the longest line we were in was maybe 30 minutes for one of the roller coasters. Definitely, it doesn't seem like we've been waiting in really long lines. So it helps that we're here a little bit off season too. How many milk cartons did it take to make this bench?
940.
It's a competition between the cousins. Who will have the fastest boat? What kind of strategy are we using for building our boat? No strategy? Okay. Finally finished. Now, what are the names of your boats?
Mine is the USS Random.
Okay.
Mine is the USA Not Random.
Not random. Okay. So much fun, they wanted to do it again. Woo! So fast! With the hopper passes and also visited the Sea Life Aquarium, which is right next door to Legoland. That you can add to it.
With all the gadgets.
Got them all. You got all the stamps. Show them. An hour left before the park closes, and there's just so much to do. We want to get more done before it's time to go. The boys are getting ready to ride cars and get their driver's license, right? Yay, they got their driver's excited to jump on the carousel. This thing is so high. I don't even know how I got on here, but I'm a little scared, like way up here. Lego board. Do you want to go on a safari?
Yeah. Yes.
One adult per car in the safari ride, so Mom and I get our own cars and the boys rode together. Check out the zebras. Woohoo! I get my own car! Woohoo! This is the most peaceful part of the day for me. Park is getting ready to shut down for the day, but I think we had a great time. You have a good time? Yeah! Yay! Woo! We're pretty tired, but it was a good day. Bye, Legoland! Alright, park is closed, but we're gonna go check out the Legoland hotels. There's 2 of them. First, we are gonna go and check out the Castle Hotel. The Legoland Hotel. It was closed, but it did look pretty cool inside. So we're just outside, just hanging out with these big characters here. Oh, this is the Legoland Hotel Dragon. Oh, there's like stuff everywhere. Now it's time to head back to the hotel and relax a little bit before our flight home tomorrow. Last day, and we're just out to breakfast, or I guess it's brunch now. It's getting kind of late. Slept in this morning, which felt great. And yeah, we're just don't have a lot of time, but we're going to be getting on the plane later today and heading home, right? Are you excited to get home, or are you sad? Ooh, so sad. Soaking in the last day, and we are back out at Oceanside. When you live in a landlocked state like Colorado, you really appreciate ocean, beach, when you get a chance to go there. but it is relaxing. That is what I always like to do on vacations. So now we're heading to the airport. So sad, but boys are having some more cousin time before we get there. Going home. It was a great trip overall. Thanks so much for coming along with us. I hope you enjoyed, and may you have a wonderful day.